Did you know that the secret to truly youthful skin and strong joints isn't just found in expensive creams or procedures? It lies much deeper, within your body, in a remarkable protein called collagen. Understanding how to support it naturally can transform your health. Collagen is essentially the scaffolding of your body, providing structure and elasticity to your skin, bones, muscles, and connective tissues. It's what keeps your skin firm, plump, and free from excessive wrinkles, giving it that smooth, youthful bounce. Beyond aesthetics, collagen is vital for joint flexibility, gut health, and even the strength of your hair and nails. However, after age 25, our body's collagen production naturally begins to decline, leading to visible signs of aging. But the good news is you can actively rebuild and protect your collagen naturally through smart choices every day. First, let's talk about nutrition. Your body needs specific building blocks to create collagen. Vitamin C is absolutely crucial, acting as a cofactor in collagen synthesis. Without it, your body simply can't produce collagen effectively. Load up on citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli to ensure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. Next, amino acids like proline and glycine are the primary components of collagen itself. You can find these in protein-rich foods like bone broth, lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes. Lastly, copper plays a supporting role in forming strong collagen fibers. Incorporate nuts, seeds, and leafy greens into your diet. Beyond diet, certain lifestyle habits are powerful collagen protectors. Sun protection is paramount. UV radiation is one of the biggest destroyers of collagen, leading to premature aging. Always wear broad-spectrum sunscreen, even on cloudy days, and seek shade during peak hours. Quality sleep allows your body to enter repair mode, where it can produce and maintain collagen effectively. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep each night for optimal skin and joint recovery. And don't forget stress management. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can break down collagen over time. Finally, avoid collagen destroyers: excessive sugar, smoking, and heavy alcohol consumption. These habits accelerate collagen breakdown and inhibit its natural production, sabotaging your efforts. By nourishing your body with the right nutrients, protecting yourself from external damage, and avoiding collagen destroyers, you can naturally rebuild and maintain your body's most abundant protein. Embrace these simple habits to unlock firmer skin, stronger joints, and a more vibrant, youthful you for years to come. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe to 100 Health Notes for more tips on living a long and healthy life. What topic should we cover next?